Want to buy crypto? In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Scalable. Let's get started. First, download the Scalable app and sign up your account. Then find the search option. Click that and it will bring you to this page. There are many topics of crypto you can buy. These are categories. You can either search crypto or find your suitable crypto to buy in these categories. Remember, to buy crypto, you will need balance in your account. Let's say I want to buy Alphabet A. You can search any crypto you want. I am just showing an example. I will have to start by searching Alphabet A first. To buy crypto, you need to click the crypto option. After finding a specific crypto, just click on it. As you can see, there is an option to buy. Before buying it, make sure this is the one you need to buy by scrolling down and see further info. Then press buy to purchase the crypto. Then simply just add amount. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like.